Today I've got a portable turbo fan that we're going to test out. This one was sent to me by PlayHot and it's a rechargeable high-speed fan that I can take with me to go camping, outdoor shopping, the beach, or whatever hot destination I may be traveling to. So here's the fan. It actually feels very solid, not like those cheap portable fans you get at the dollar store. This one has some weight to it, but light enough to put it into a purse or travel bag. If you take a look at the back, you can see the fan blades inside, and the head can be adjusted to tilt back and forth. In fact, if you tilt it back far enough, you can actually place it on a table instead of holding it up with your hand like this. On the side of the handle, there's a USB-C port so you can charge up the fan. And what I appreciate is that this fan actually comes with a USB cable. And although it's not that long, it's actually long enough to plug into a portable battery charger if you don't have access to a wall outlet close by. And as soon as I plug this in, you'll be able to see the battery indicators light up on the display. So as you can see on the display now, I've got my fan fully charged. I'm feeling hot, so I'm going to power the fan on by pressing the power button on the front of the handle. Starting off on level 1, you can see the pages just barely fluttering at the edges. This is that perfect quiet airflow for a bedside table or a light breeze while you're working. Enough to move the air, but it's not going to blow your papers away. Now I'll kick it up to level 2. You can hear the fan gets a tiny bit louder as it spins inside. And now the manual is actually starting to lift and hold steady. The airflow is consistent and focused now. You can hear the motor hum a bit more, and this would be perfect for a desk setup where you want to stay cool without papers flying everywhere. Then level 3, the airflow is even stronger and cooler. The manual is moving and fluttering more, and I think this is a very comfortable cool breeze. Level 4 is stronger again, and the manual is consistently being pinned back by the stronger airflow. The fan is louder and the air feels much colder. And then level 5 is the strongest, and I can feel the air is extremely cool. These are for those really hot days when the AC is just not strong enough. I have to admit, I was a bit skeptical when I got this fan, but I'm very pleasantly surprised at how cooling the air is coming out of this little but mighty fan.